iHerbcom review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. Think you're getting unbeatable deals on supplements and natural products at Entity Brand. iHerb Zero. The promise is big, but you won't believe what happens next when you dig into the details. Here's the lowdown. iHerb offers thousands of health, wellness and beauty products. Reviewers note the pricing range from about as to over, and frequent promotions make some items much cheaper. Citron one reviewer said the first order dropped from us to us thanks to a 20% new customer discount. Citron what you get for your money, wide product range, good pricing compared to traditional stores. Many reviews say prices are very competitive, products genuine, shipping is fast. Citron additional programs, an auto ship and save option, referral rewards etc. Citron what you give up or should watch out for. If you're outside the US, for example in India, shipping costs, import duties or delays can erode savings. One site warns of mixed reviews globally. Citron you need to compare local alternatives. Sometimes the discount isn't as deep once all costs are factored. Here's how to evaluate. 1. Find the exact product you want locally and note the price in INR. 2. On iHerb, convert us to INR. At shipping, possible import fees. 3. Apply any new customer discount or coupon. Note if it's your first order. 4. Check shipping time and product expiration. iHerb displays expiry dates for many items. Citron Most people get this wrong. They see a lowest price and assume it's cheaper overall, but for international buyers, the total landed cost may beat local stores or not by much. The surprising truth, deals are real but context matters. In conclusion, if you're already comfortable ordering internationally, checking currency, and can make use of coupon discount programs, iHerb can be a strong value choice for supplements beauty. If you prefer local warranty, fast delivery and minimal hassle, local retail may win. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more breakdowns of where your money goes online.